you see what's in what it's like being a robot.
What's your wish for your birthday, PJ?
I wish I had a mega truck also.
A what?
Mega truck.
A mega truck? Wow!
That I can just ride in.
Wow!
Kasi my old truck is broken.
It's broken na. You want a mega truck pala.
No, no ko.
Wow! Why? Because you don't have a mega truck? How old are you na, PJ?
Yes.
3.
No.
Maybe 11?
No.
12?
No.
About 20?
No.
25?
No.
Lower? Is it lower? About 18?
No.
Lower?
Lower.
17?
Lower.
16?
Lower and lower.
Really? About 10?
Lower.
9?
Lower.
8?
Lower.
7?
Lower.
6?
Lower.
Oh. 4?
Low. Upper.
Upper. What is upper of 4?
Up.
5?
Yes.
Wow, you're 5.
No, I'm actually 6 pala. Sorry. Sorry. I'm not 5. I'm 6.
Oh, you're now 6.
Kaya ko, I'm 5.
You're before 5. And now
I
you're 6.
forgot.
Sabi ko, bakit? Bakit ka ako lower pa? Kala ko 4. No, PJ? So your classmates gonna sing a happy birthday song for you, PJ. Ano pa? Ngayon po. Ngayon po.
We saw, Daddy and me saw Joaquin kanina.
Sino?
Joaquin.
Joaquin, yeah. Joaquin is here. I saw your picture with Joaquin.
We didn't.
No? He's a grown up now.
The only ones who texted me for my birthday at night was Ate Keisha and Ate.
Ate Keisha also? Wow.
No one else texted me.
Oh, yeah.
But Ate sent something to me at Facebook. Ate Alpha.
Oh. I saw your picture with Ate Alpha. Right, PJ? Ang ganda-ganda kayo. Ang ganda ng picture.
Ako nang maga pumunta.
Saka anak, baka maging broken yan.
No.
Yeah. Oops.
I'm just gonna remove all. Then I'll
Saan ka
put
lang?
that. Put them back.
Ah,
Kasi
mababalik
si ka
pala.
kasama ka na lang pagbibilang. Tignan 96. Hello.
Wow. Galing mo pala, PJ, right? Galing
Of
naman.
course, this is my Christmas tree.
What time will the driver pick you up?
12:30.
12:30 pa pala. Did you take your breakfast na ba? EJ?
Egg.
Oh, that's good. Ooh. Here's the Christmas tree of PJ. Today is what date is today, PJ? Today is
Don't say it.
Today is PJ's
Don't say it.
birthday.
Don't say
2024.
I said don't say
Say
it.
goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. It's my Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye, guys.